Marta Matt here. Now let's create the mouth. Quite an easy process, but a couple of things we need to be really careful of. Okay, the tool we're going to use to create the mouth is what we call our brush tool. Okay, so there it is there. You might see, if you've used a pencil, you might have a pencil there instead. So we make sure we've got our brush tool. Okay. Remember, when we're using brushes, we can create how big our brushes are. We can change how hard and soft they are. Another really important thing we can do for this one is we can change the smoothing. So I'll show you how we do this. Okay. Now, let's just click off to make sure none of our layers are selected. Now, to use the brush tool, this is a bit of a pain. You see that no entry sign? Basically, we need to make sure we're going to create a new layer before we use the brush tool. So down in the bottom right corner, there's the plus to create a new layer. There it is. So this is the layer we'll be drawing on now. First thing, let's bring the brush over here. This shows you how big my brush is, and I reckon that actually looks pretty good. To change the size, I can click next to the size here, make it bigger. There you go, you can see. Okay. We want a nice hard brush because it's a cartoon. We want a nice smooth, yeah, that's good. So we make sure our hardness is up to 100%. The other thing is we want that to be a nice smooth curve, not too jaggedy. So if we come across here, we have what we call smoothing, and I bring that to about 50%. By the way, you can always just type in here if you want an exact number. Okay, so I'm going to say that's going to be 50%. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the color. So I can come over to my color. Here's my color picker. Okay, you've seen I was already playing with the colors. I'm actually going to choose a pink color. Okay, you could do black if you wanted to match, but I'm going to go for this kind of pinky color. There you go. So happy with that? Okay, so I've selected my brush size, I've put the smoothing on, I've selected my color. Now I can just come over to the mouse, hold down my mouse button, and I'm carefully draw my mouth. Okay, you could experiment, you could try with a different mouth shape just to get what you like. Control Z, remember, will take it away. So if you want a bit of a sad one, okay. Remember, if you want to see how it looks, just turn the head layer on so you can see a bit of a confused, sad looking face. No, don't like that one. Oh, okay, Control Z. I'm just going to go back and draw my smile. I'm going to make it come up slightly higher on one side. That's a classic cartoony look, just to bring it slightly. It matches the slightly confused look in the eyebrows. So on my new layer there, you can see I've drawn my mouth using the brush tool. Okay, yep, happy with that. Let's bring the head in and see what it looks like. Perfect. Nothing more I'm going to do to that.